What are the risks of electrical hazards, and how can an attorney help if you've been injured? Electrical hazards can lead to devastating injuries, fires, and even fatalities. If you or a loved one has suffered due to unsafe wiring or negligence, legal action may help you recover damages. Faulty electrical work, especially when done without permits, can result in severe fires and injuries. Landlords and property owners have a legal duty to provide safe electrical systems in rental homes. If negligence caused the hazard, a personal injury attorney can help you seek compensation for medical expenses and emotional suffering. Need legal help for an electrical injury case? Attorney Matthew Hale of M.R. Hale Law is here to assist you. For 20 years, Attorney Matthew Hale has helped clients just like you win damages when others' negligence causes an electrical injury and harm. Have questions or in need of legal help in Burien, Washington? Visit our website at www.mrhale.law today.